Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to learn about the blockchain, right? So in my previous videos, if you have got a chance and if not, please go back and check that how the hash function and the blocks are looking like into the real world and how the data is converted into a hash function. Once you understand the hash and the blocks, now I'm going to explain about the blockchain, how the small blocks are combined together and converted into a blockchain, right? So let's begin. Okay, so here we can see is a blockchain and this blockchain is combined with the total almost 5 blocks as of now. Previously, I've explained what is block, nouns, data, and the hash value. But now, when we are coming up as a blockchain, it will have the previous hash as well as the hash function of the current hash, right? So, as this is a first block, you must be remembering that the first block is a Genesis block, and it do not have any previous hash value. That's the reason it is all zeros, right? And you can see the hash function of the first block is the previous hash function of the second block because these blocks are already mined, right? Now, suppose I need to type a value here. Hello, everyone. So this blockchain is converted into a red color or a rather pink color. Why? Because this is not green. Somebody has touched the data. When somebody is touching the data, the conversion of the hash function is genuine, right? So what happens? The hash value has changed. Now I need to mine this block. Once I mine this block, I can see the hash value of this block is the different value of this block. And then hence I need to mine this one, right? And similarly, I need to mine all the blocks till end. So this is how the blockchain is linked with each other. The previous hash value of the first block currently linked with the hash value of the existing block, right? So this is how the blockchain is merged. This hash value to this hash value and this hash value to the previous hash value of the third block. So this is the beauty of the blockchain. Now, when we are saying that somebody is forging our data, how it will be look like? Suppose in between somebody has come and started touching this data, right? This is mine. So what happens? You can easily see the previous two blocks have not been touched and they are still into the green color and their hash values are matching. But the hash value of this block post third block has been changed. Why? Because the hash value has changed, right? So what will happen in that case? The miner need to mine this block, then miner need to mine another block, and then they need to keep on continuing mining till the end of the blockchain. That's the reason the blockchain forging is very next to impossible, because if you'll touch one thing, it is going to affect everything. So this is how the blockchain is linked with each other, and this is the beauty of block and blockchain. I'll explain you about the distributed blockchain network into my upcoming session. Thank you so much for listening in. Keep learning.